Understood friends? Yes friends, there are many uses. So this is also one use which trees can give us. So friends, so let us learn about destruction of cyclone. What is that friends? Destruction of cyclone. So friends, cyclone can be very destructive. Cyclone includes heavy rain and strong wind. Cyclone includes intensity on its size and on its location. Understood friends? So this is about destruction of cyclone. And then factors of cyclone. Factors. What is that? Factors to contribution of cyclone. The factors like wind speed, wind direction, temperature and humidity, these are the factors to development of cyclone. In India, in the month of May to June or October to November, cyclone may occur. Okay friends? And then in India towards eastern direction means it is Bay of Bengal. More cyclone occur in that place. Means why? Because ocean is there near to that. So by this cyclone may occur in that place. Understood friends? So this is about factors. So friends, let us learn about do's and don'ts. Do's and don'ts. So friends, we should not ignore the information which is given by Indian Meteorological Department to the satellites and radars. Understood friends? And then second one is keep the phone numbers of emergency services like fire brigade, medical centers, police and so on. And strictly avoid that, we should switch off the electrical mains and then keep essential household goods, vehicles, domestic animals in the safer place. Okay friends, these are the do's and don'ts. So let us learn about post-cyclone measures. What is that? Post-cyclone measures. It is nothing but precautions does we need before occurrence of the cyclone. So friends, strictly avoid that. Don't go near to loose and dangling wires. Okay friends? Yes. And then the second one is we should not go out for the sake of fun. And then cooperate and help to your neighbors. Okay? So friends, this is about post-cyclone measures. Understood friends? Okay. So friends, let us see this. See the picture of cyclone. See this, we learnt about cyclone can be very destructive. So this is about that. There are big waves which are coming in the ocean. See that walls are destroying. See this picture. When the cyclone occur, before wind will come. So be attentive. Okay friends, this is about cyclone. Okay friends, understood? Okay. Okay friends, let us repeat this. Cyclone. What is cyclone? Yes friends, cyclone is nothing but it's a violent storms. It's a kind of violent storms which occur on earth. And then people call these storms by the name of typhoons, hurricanes, hudhud and so on. Friends, I want to ask some question to you. That was nothing but in this year cyclone is occurred in a place. Can you tell the place? Yes, it's a Vizag. It's a Vizag. See these pictures, friends. See these pictures. These are pictures which I gathered These are the pictures which I gathered from the newspaper. These are the pictures which are about the cyclone which is occurred on Visakhapatnam, named is Hudhud. Okay friends. Okay. So see this friends. Hudhud. This is a cyclone which is occurred in the Vizag. Name was Hudhud. Remember this. Okay friends. Friends, what is the meaning of IMD? What is meant by IMD? Yes, Indian Meteorological Department. This is the department that can know before we are knowing that before occurrence of the cyclone, we all knowing that through the radio, newspaper, TV and so on. Through the IMD department, they are passing the information through radio, TV and so on. So we should thankful to IMD department which is helping to us. Understood friends? We should thankful to that. This is telling through the advanced technology like satellites and radars. Remember that friends? Okay. Through the satellites and radars, this IMD department knowing that. Understood friends? Okay. Before 2 days, we are knowing that wind is blowing towards that place. Before a day, we are knowing that cyclone is occurred in that place. Okay, hello?
Hello?
Hello, hi Svero.
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Sony.
Sony, okay.
Yeah.
Nice name.
I have a question.
Okay, Svero.
How the meteorological department know that cyclone is occurring?
Yes. All right. Repeat the question. Svero?
Occurring.
Yes, friends. Indian Meteorological Department knows everything about cyclone and about all the disasters through the advanced technology like satellites and radars. Friends, do you know the full form of radar? Radio defecting and ranking. This is the full form of radar. What is that? Radio detecting and ranking. Nice question, Svero. This is a nice question that you asked. Indian Meteorological Department knows about satellites and radars, about cyclone through the advanced technology like satellites and radars. So it's a nice question that you asked. Okay, friends. This is the full form of radar, radio detecting and ranking. This is the full form of radar. We shall study about these satellites and radars in the next class. Okay friends? Yes, we shall study this about in the next class. Okay friends? Okay. Next. And then I want to show mind map. Okay. See this, air, winds and cyclones. Okay, what is this? Air, winds and cyclones. We learnt about air, winds and cyclones. We learnt about air. What is the air? Yes, air is a mixture of gases, and we also learnt about wind. What is wind? Moving air is called wind. And what is cyclone? Yes, a violent storms which occur on earth, it is called as cyclone. So in that we already learnt about air. we already learned about air properties. Okay. Hi Svero.
Hi, Sparrow.
What's your name?
Why should cyclones only coming in rainy season?
Yes, repeat this question.
Sparrow,
Where were you from?
why should cyclones coming in only rainy season? Annapredipalli.
Why does cyclone come in only?
In only rainy season.
Only rainy season?
Hmm.
Yes, cyclone will come only in the rainy season because before occurrence of the rain, wind will blow. Understood? Yes, before occurrence of the rain, strong blow of wind will blow towards that place. Then, if there is, suppose if the cyclone, if the rain is coming in the Hyderabad, near the Hyderabad there is a big ocean. Understood? Near the Hyderabad there is a big ocean. Then the land near the land will heats very quickly, and it rises up. Then that process will continuously happens. The whole system like wind spins, cloud, ocean heat, and so on. It will continuously happens, and then cyclone will occur in that place. Okay. Okay, Svero? Yes, it's a nice question, and it's a nice question that you asked. Okay, so we already learnt about air properties. In that, we learnt about air occupies space, and we also did an activity, and we also learnt about air exerts pressure. We already do what is pressure. We already know what is pressure. Pressure is equal to force by area, and we already learnt about air expands on heating and contracts on cooling. Hot air is lighter than cold air, and then warm air is less dense than cold air. And then say this is about, we already learnt about wind, and we already learnt about cyclone. In that, we already learnt about phenomenon of cyclone, factors to contribution of cyclone, and destruction of cyclone, and post cyclone measures. What precautions does we need before occurrence of the cyclone, and we already learnt about do's and don'ts for the cyclone, and at last we already learnt about how cyclone may form, and in that we already learnt about deforestation of cyclone. So Sveros, so we already learnt about destruction of cyclone, and so from today onwards we should not destroy the trees. Okay, we should not destroy the forest for the sake of increasing of population. So we should not cut down the trees. So today onwards we should know that we should not cut down the trees. So that is why save nature, it saves us. Thank you.